You might want to look in
So
it.
this is me and Granddad. And what's this? What's that? Oh. That's so nice.
I gave a heart for Granddad's name. And him.
Oh.
See, he spelled out my name.
How sweet that is. That's so nice.
Oh, look at my book there.
And there we are. It looks just like us. You have a magic touch with your art. You're so good at it. Oh my gosh, no wonder Granddad was laughing so hard. The resemblance is unmistakable.
Wait, just get ready for this one. Close your eyes until I say it.
Get ready for this one.
Get ready for this one.
Okay, you're drawing something now. Oh my. She likes to do a frame first.
Yeah, I noticed that. Nice little frame. The one she gave Corey yesterday looked a lot like her and her parents.
Oh!
And then she throws in Bun Boy, and that's a nice addition.
Yes, look at that. Looks that pencil almost like a real big person.
This is exactly what your mom did at age 4. She was always drawing. Constantly. She said she was an artist of drawing.
Artist of drawing.
You're very precise and meticulous about your work. I love that. You know what meticulous means? Very exacting, careful.
Oh, that was like a very cute picture.
Oh,
Well, am I not done?
you're not done? I love the way you hold your pencil. You prefer pencil, don't you? Over crayon.
Finer line.
Yeah, more subtle.
Yes, this is the best picture I ever get. Mama, you might want to guess this one very good.
Oh boy. You like working on those little pieces of paper from the tablet.
Yes. Oh, and what is that?
Oh my.
Guess very hard.
Yes,
What
very
is-
hard, huh?
Guess
so
very hard. Let's see.
What is that, Grandma?
Oh,
Guess who it is?
is that me and Granddad?
No, that's me holding old boy, and that's you.
Oh, you holding old boy. That's nice. Let's see.
Looks resemblance here.
You holding old boy. That is so great. That's great, Maud. You're just cranking them out.